आ चुके हैं गणपति बप्पा। आपको बता दें, लोगों ने ढोल ताशों गाजे बाजे मोदक और गणपति बप्पा मौर्य के जयकारे के साथ भगवान गणेश का अपने अपने घरों में स्वागत किया। 10 दिवसीय गणेश चतुर्थी का उत्सव धूमधाम और हर्षोल्लास के बीच शुरू हो चुका है। यह त्योहार ज्ञान, सौभाग्य और नई शुरुआत के भगवान गणेश को समर्पित है। दक्षिण मुंबई की 12 फीट ऊंची लाल बाग राजा की मूर्ति के दर्शन के लिए हजारों की संख्या में श्रद्धालु इकट्ठा हुए। एक्टर कार्तिक आर्यन भी भगवान गणेश का आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए पंडाल पहुंचे। बेंगलुरु में भी गणेश चतुर्थी का त्यौहार मनाया गया। देखिए हमारे सहयोगी की रिपोर्ट।
Very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Let me straight away cut across to the live visuals so that our millions of viewers can also see live darshan of Lal Bagcha Raja. Majestic, massive idol of Lal Bagcha Raja. Now remember, when it comes to Lal Bagcha Raja Pandal, it needs no introduction, as we see that the crowd speaks for themselves. Now I have also interacted with few of the devotees, Shreya. They have said that they are waiting here from past 18 hours. Someone has told me that they have been waiting here from midnight 1 and just to get one glimpse of Bappa. And here we are showing you what is exactly happening currently. There's also Mukh Darshan, there's Charan Sparsh. Both the things are happening simultaneously. Everyone wants a glimpse of Bappa, and also what we are understanding is that in short time, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, will be arriving to have darshan of Lal Bagcha Raja. As correctly you have mentioned that it is famous between Abhinetas and Netas, but also in a very similar fashion it is famous between people, those who come from various places across nation and in fact out of India too, to just get darshan of Lal Bagcha Raja. Now showing you the theme this time, Shreya, it has been kept as a very rustic, very lovely theme which focuses on fort. We are also joined by some of the people, they are sevakaris, those who are always managing here. Although we are at media podium so that our viewers can see exactly what's happening down. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप कई वर्षों से लगातार यहाँ पे श्रद्धालुओं को मैनेज करते हैं। आप ये बताइए कि कितना कुछ मैनेज करना रहता है, इसमें क्या श्रद्धालु कहाँ से आते हैं, कितना देर इंतजार करते हैं?
लाल बाग का राजा एक ऐसा मूर्ति है जिसके लिए ना लोग लाखों की संख्या से आते हैं, गाँव से आते हैं, बहुत दूर दूर से आते हैं। इधर के मैनेजमेंट टीम बहुत स्ट्रांग है, क्योंकि इधर 11 दिन नाइट सुबह पूरा रात भी चले जाता है। इधर की टीम बहुत स्ट्रांग है। देखो जैसे कि अभी इधर खड़े ये लोग पूरे रात ऐसे जगह पे रहते हैं, सबको दर्शन मिलता है इधर। और लालबाग की मूर्ति का ऐसी मूर्ति है जिसको देख के लोग प्रभावित होते हैं, इसलिए दूर दूर से बहुत लोग संख्या से आते हैं।
Firstly, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. We are present here in Andheri, and you can see behind me, this is the pandal of Andheri Cha Raja. As you mentioned, Lal Bagcha Raja, which is very much prominent from here, is Andheri Cha Raja, and this mandal, is celebrating its 58th year of establishment. And I would like to show you around. This they have replicated the Raigad fort of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Where the idol has been placed is where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj used to sit, and this is the darbar which has been formed out here, and it resonates around 350 years of Rajya Abhishek of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You can clearly see this is the Janta Darbar of the fort of Raigad, which is being replicated out here, and and at the same time you can see the crowd. This is the spirit of Mumbai. This is just the first day, and you can see lots and lots of crowd which has gathered out here, and they are constantly coming to witness the blessings of Andheri Cha Raja, Lord Ganesh. And one small thing I would like my cameraman to show you and zoom. Here, if you have any wish, you can make the wish, quietly say the wish into the ears of this mouse, and it will definitely get fulfilled. Is something which we believe in our culture and tradition. This is something which is happening right here in the city of Mumbai, and where we are present is the replica of Raigad Fort. And to speak to us about the organization of this pandal, let's try and understand how much year has been passed, and this concept of 350 years of Rajyabhishek of Chhatrapati Shivaji. How it came into existence and how it was made possible?
Last time we made a replica of Lakshmi Vilas Palace here, and last year we decided itself because this year we are completing 350 years of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Rajyabhishek, which is when Raigad Killa is done, and his darbar will be where Shivaji has to visit and give the advisors to his mantris. And you can see the entire replica which was created from last 2.5 years. Our art director Mr. Dharmesh Shah and architect Ashok Rane have taken a lot of hard work in this. One design, all the design which is copied by the fiber, which is non-polluted environment, which is created by our mandal with wooden. And all the, you see the zoomers which is put it in our entire pandal. It is keep your this mandal very rich. And there is a lakhs of devotees visiting today, and today is the first day, and it is 24 hours that darshan will be open for our devotees, Ganesh Bhakt, and from Bollywood to Hollywood, and also from leader from political people, and also from general public, all are come to pray here. And next 14 years you can hear only one song, Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria.
This Ganesha idol that has been kept here is about 23 feet high. I would ask my VJ to show that this 23 feet Ganesha idol which is kept over here in Venkateshpura, one of the areas in Bangalore city. You can also see that this has been organized by the Dr. Rajkumar Fans Association, and this is the biggest Ganesha in this area. And also there will be a mass procession on Friday where almost more than 200 plus Lord Ganesha deities will be going to the Visarjan. And also Ganesha festival is one of the important festival where it is being celebrated for 10 days in India throughout the country. And also majorly this is Ganesha festival is being celebrated in Maharashtra, where Lal Baksha Raja is currently there in Mumbai. And also this not only in Mumbai but also there are several states that is celebrating Ganesha festival, and Bangalore city is one of the important state where it is being celebrated. And also in southern state most of the celebrities are celebrating Ganesha Chaturthi in a very grand manner.
So ours is the main Ganesha here. So we are celebrating this from 50 years and under Dr. Rajkumar Fans Association and Sri Vinayaka Youth Association.
Thank you, sir. Please tell us, Ganesha festival is one of the festivals.